Hi, today I'm reviewing OPPO Reno 10 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. Also we get one more way how we could do that. Just first hold for a while empty space on your home screen, select a couple of apps and click here to create folder. So we get two different ways how we could do that. If you wanna just add more applications to your folder, you could just hold and drag it by this way. We could rename the folder just by click on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. If you wanna move folder on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. We could also make it bigger to enlarge it and to shrink it to make it smaller. To remove the application from here, we should just hold and drag it to the home screen. Also, we could hold and tap to remove icon, but don't worry, you will remove only the shortcut. You will stay with this application on your device. And also, if you want, you could remove the folder, just tap on it and you will stay with these applications on the home screen. Or also, you could just remove folder and applications together. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.